Go. This is the burping Joanne.
Yeah, 'cause that's what I do when I go to the store. I'm always asking those guys out there.
But I mean, it helps me because I like.
Yeah.
I probably know more products than freaking
Say allergies.
I didn't know if you.
I'm not worried about it. Like, it's crap.
Bye.